80% of humans are reincarnated.
A few moments later.
Nipa 91% eye wukoba.
Untieni yo. Onsa machino wa ha.
Pabidesiama Ajagurajah, he is always contradicting himself. Wow, ujisa branchi wedino. What is it obia okwa kofro aeroplane pilot no oni baby oko. You do that at your own risk. Why don't we put our trust in Jesus Christ rather than say yedi ere beshe Ajagurajah wemu obi bia na obejine die no odi uko owom. But thank God say wa obeji Jesus Christ edie no Jesus Christ odi yebeko enkwam abranche we say oka asem nde ochena no asan be kan asem foforo there he is always contradicting himself. Se wuntie no nche ya you will not be able to know this, but me there metie no extensively. I know the contradictions. If you put your trust in this guy, he is leading you astray, he is leading you to death. Don't put your trust in him. Put your trust in Jesus Christ. Put your trust in the New Testament Bible.
Ye buni po mu asasi eso awon. Se nipa wasasi su nyina 100%. Emu 91% eye wukoba. 80% of humans are reincarnated.
80% of nipa tiasa so makwaba. Madam Nyankopon mo nipa wofro bi mu.
Nipa 91% ye wukoba. According to the BluntGhana catchem. According to the BluntGhana catchem. According to the BluntGhana catchem. Me kasa onse me kasa ti se obi a minim de meka. Ene obi anka enanka ye nanka anye dabi. Nipa 91% eye wukoba. 80% of humans are reincarnated. What the nyansa phone intie na ejimi phone nka so nyimi. What the guy?
Winnim nyansa ka be hu so wajimi.
Ni anu na ka be ton aginkere.
Yourself a season.